off me! Get the off me! Get the off me! Get the fuck up! I'm getting out and you can back up! You putting your arms on me! Look at him! Look at him!
Atlanta, Georgia. Officers spot a car cruising down the street with something that shouldn't be there. 2 legs sticking straight out of the sunroof.
Switch off the vehicle.
Say it again?
Switch off the vehicle. Alright, step out the vehicle. Put your hands behind the back.
Well, I have to put my hands behind my back for it. Just be down.
So right now you're detained.
Not a good look when you're rolling through the city. They flip the lights and initiate a traffic stop. But what starts as a routine pullover doesn't stay that way.
Reckless driving.
Calm down.
3 persons in the front of the vehicle while they're driving.
For the what?
3 persons in the front of the vehicle while they're driving. Reckless in the state of Georgia. Alright. You have your driver's license on you?
Jazz, just listen.
Twist your waistband real quick. Make sure you have no weapons on you. Why are you driving with somebody in the front of the vehicle?
What 3 people was in the front of my car?
Oh yeah, man. I saw you when you pull up to the gas station, you know, sir. Why are we gonna behave down?
Wait.
Sit, man. Sit.
I'ma sit. But
don't tell me anything. Why are we driving with 3 people in the front of the vehicle?
it's just me and my passenger.
You want your passenger?
And my passenger.
You're telling me you have a female passenger in the front of the vehicle? That's what you're telling me?
It's a male in the passenger seat of the car.
Okay. And I know what I saw. Those 2 legs that I saw up in the air through the sunroof, that person was sitting in the front of the vehicle.
You saw legs outside of the car while I was driving?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We both know what's going on. You pulled up at the Hormel gas station, saw me, and turned out to the gas station. Turn around. Let me get your driver's license. You have anything on you that I need to know about?
I do.
Huh?
I do not.
You say yeah?
I do not.
Do not? Okay. Turn around. Put your foot inside. What? Something you want to say?
While officers tried to detain the male suspect, the woman, who earlier had her feet through the roof, snaps. She starts yelling, resisting, and eventually lashes out, kicking, swinging. Chaos breaks out and backup rushes in. She's restrained, but not before she threatens lawsuits, screams about her rights, and turns the scene into a full-blown spectacle. Officers stay sharp, barely.
You, young lady, you are the one who had your foot through the sunroof. You step out the vehicle.
Me?
Yeah, man, you.
Me?
Of course, you. You are the one who had your foot out through the sunroof of the vehicle. So step out of the vehicle. Yeah, man, straight up.
What shoe? That's what I'm saying. What shoe?
4, I'm good, thank you. So 1 blackmail detained. You step out the vehicle.
There's a latch right here, sir.
Step out the vehicle. You want me to pull out the vehicle? You want to pull out the vehicle?
You can help her out. You can help her out.
Sunday game, I'm good.
You go for it and help her out. Yes, help out. Leave it.
No, I'm going to keep it on me. Why? I didn't do nothing wrong.
No, you are fine. You are fine. You are fine.
So if it's okay in the state of Georgia to have your foot hanging through the sunroof of a vehicle while it is in motion,
What do you want
is
to
that
do?
okay?
Hold on, sir. I'm
Excuse
her brother.
me?
I'm her blood brother. Can you please tell me why you asking her to
Get
go?
away from here, dude.
Hold on. That's not the point. Don't talk to me.
Hey,
Don't
hey,
talk to me like
hey, listen to me.
Talk to me.
Darrell,
You do what you need
get
to do.
back.
I'm the police here.
Don't you grab my arm. Bro, don't grab my arm like that on G. Don't grab my arm like
stop,
that.
man.
Yeah,
I know
call
you-
back up. Do what you need to do. Don't call me. Don't do it. I tried to tell him. I tried to tell him. Get the off me. 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 Bro, I didn't even do shit. I didn't even do shit.
You might not have
I
used that
didn't
one
even
as
do
this thing.
shit. Get off me. I didn't even do shit. Get off me. Get off me. I didn't even do shit. I ain't do shit. I ain't do shit. I ain't do shit. Get off me.
What's the matter?
I ain't do shit. Get off me. I ain't do shit.
Get
off
back,
me.
get back.
I have an
Get
attorney.
back.
I have an attorney. I have an attorney.
Yeah, man, just relax.
My attorney's finna sue you. On G, my attorney's finna sue you. My attorney's finna sue you so bad, bro. My attorney's finna sue you so bad, bro. I got an attorney on retainer. I got an attorney on retainer. That's why.
You okay?
Get the f off my arms. Get off of my arms,
I
bro.
got one
Get
resisting.
off of my arms.
I've already changed at this point. Just need another unit so I could put it in cuffs.
I just have it found now right away.
I'm not doing nothing. I'm not doing nothing. I'm not doing nothing. I'm not doing nothing.
Are you working?
I will fuck you up. I will fuck you up tonight. I will fuck you up tonight. I will show you why you shouldn't have signed up for this job tonight. I will show you why you shouldn't have signed up for this job tonight. I will show you why you shouldn't have signed up for this job tonight.
Start me doing it, radio. Resisting.
Get the f off me. Get the f off me. I ain't do shit wrong. Get the f off me. Give me a reason. Give me a reason. Give me a reason.
Hey, you back away. Step away from the police car.
Sorry. Get the f off me. Get the f. He's wrong as f.
Hey.
You know you're wrong as f. You know you're wrong. Record me. No. You know you're wrong as f. Back up.
Step away, alright?
Nah.
Step to the side.
He's good. He's good. He's good. He's good. You know you're wrong as f. You know you're wrong as f. Back the f up. You know you. No. Babe, back up for me. Babe, I know the law. I went to college. I took business law. This nigga wrong as f. You ain't got me for nothing. You ain't got me. Get the f off me, bitch. You ain't got me for nothing. Break my nails if you want to. I'll break your motherfucking face right now. I'll break your motherfucking face right now.
I'm begging you.
Yeah. Do what you need to do. Do what you need to do. Do what you need to do. Cause you know you wrong as fuck. You know you lost your job today.
Step over there. You step over there.
You know you lost your job today. You know you lost your job today.
Don't
You know you lost your job today. You know you lost your job
Don't let me
today.
chase you.
You did. Cause you
Don't let
wrong
me
as
chase
fuck. I didn't do nothing wrong. I didn't do nothing wrong. Babe, stop calling my name. Stop calling. Don't touch my name. Don't touch my motherfucker. Don't touch my motherfucker. Don't touch my motherfucker. Don't touch my motherfucker.
You can't do it. You can't do it. Dad, 1, 2, 3. You said you gotta be still. You gotta be still. I know.
Stop talking.
I understand.
Stop talking. Stop talking to me.
I understand.
Stop talking to me.
Dad,
Hey, stop resisting. Stop resisting. Stop resisting. Stop resisting.
I'm good.
In the end, the driver was charged with reckless endangerment and hauled off to the Atlanta City Jail. The woman, taken to the hospital first due to her aggressive behavior, then straight to Fulton County Jail, booked on felony obstruction and 2 counts of battery against a police officer. Situations like this unfold in seconds. One bad decision, and suddenly you're facing a courtroom.
I'm not. I've never been resisting this whole time. I've never
Stop
been
resisting. Stop resisting. Stop resisting. Stop resisting. Stop resisting.
He's pulling my hand. He's pulling my hand.
Stop resisting.
He's pulling my hand. He's pulling my hand.
Turn around.
I'm good. He's pulling my hand. He's pulling my hand.
Put her on the vehicle for me. I got one in my car already.
You know why? Because
Get out
I
of the
stepped
driver's
out to
seat.
try to talk to her.
Get out of the driver's seat.
Okay.
Get out of the
Where do you
driver's
want me to
seat.
go? Where do you want me to go?
Go back where you were before. Get out of the driver's seat of the vehicle.
You're gonna kill me
Are
right
you the driver? Are you the driver?
You know that I'm
Get out
not.
of the driver's seat.
Okay. Okay, you know that I'm not. I can't because that's my,
So we're going to
that's my
driver's
blood
seat.
sister.
Step
Because I
over there,
came
man. You go
out.
over there. You go over there. Basically, I'm charged with obstruction, reckless conduct. Yeah, maybe not reckless conduct, but obstruction. Alright. So basically, what you need her for?
Look, I get it. One is my sister's acting wild as Can I please just
No,
ask
stay
her-
right there.
Aaron, don't say anything.
I promise. I'm not moving. I promise. I'm not moving.
I feel like I have an opinion from her where she's my younger sister and yelling at me. I can tell her to stop. Can I please just stop?
No, we not. You don't need to talk to her. She's fine. We got everything with you.
This officer is not going to charge me.
Officer,
Yeah.
what are y'all gonna do with her tonight?
Oh, she's going to jail.
She's going to jail.
She's going to jail.
tonight.
She's in handcuffs. She's going to jail for obstruction.
She's going to jail tonight.
You're not, and he's not. All right?
No.
But she breaks that window, she's going to get a felony.
She's already.
So, just telling you right now.
Yeah, no.
So
I'm not
if you keep calm and he keeps calm,
I'm calm.
this officer is not going to charge you guys with anything. This one right here is going to jail.
We're calm.
This one's going to jail.
That's
So.
that already.
Yep.
I just want to know what the proceedings are so we can just get it all resolved. Is she going in tonight, or can we put her in our car?
No, she's staying with us. She's staying with us. You're not supposed to be on the phone, so whatever phone call you're on. So you're saying if I come and check you, you don't have a phone on you? Huh? If I come and check you, do you have a phone on you?
I'm talking to you.
I'm asking you, do you have a phone on you? Do you have a phone on you, sir? Your friend is going to get a charge.
A phone is going to... I'm not even...
Your friend is going to get a charge. I'm saying, do you have a phone on you?
I'm not talking on the phone.
Do you have a phone on you, sir?
I don't
You're in
know.
custody. You cannot have a phone on you. Do you have a phone on you? I'm going to check you out, take you out and search you properly. Stuff up on my shoes. So I'm going to search this one real good. Because this one, I hear him talking on a phone.
I'm not... I was talking to you.
Big man, I don't talk too much, man.
I don't understand your English.
Can we?
You, this is all that I got.
Yeah. You're going to go to jail for reckless, because you're being reckless. 3 people in front of the vehicle.
You know that.
Okay.
You know he was put a force on me.
Listen to
You
me.
know
Stop.
he was put a force on me.
With
Darrell.
obstruction, she literally had her arms behind her back, so what did she do to obstruct?
She was fighting with him. He could not even get
fighting with her
her.
arms
She could not
behind her
even
back.
get. He could not even get her other arm into a handcuff until we showed up. So yes, she was fighting with him. Everything's been on video. Okay, so she is going to jail for an obstruction charge.
Okay. Okay.
Okay? I wasn't here before until I showed up, and you guys were all sitting down here.
Okay, so who was actually here when this happened?
That officer.
Just that one?
Yes.
Just that one?
He was
Okay.
the one who had the other guy
Can I-
detained,
okay.
and he was fighting with her when we pulled up.
Okay, alright, okay.
When you fight with an officer, you go to jail.
I get it. My sister is just mad.
Okay, I understand.
Okay.
She's mad, she's irritated, she's drunk.
So
Okay, I understand that.
No way that I can just
No.
take her home.
No.
Leave.
We're going both together.
Yeah. They're riding in the same car together, going to the same place together. Hey, other side. Because that guy's in there. But wait until she gets over here before you open the door.
Please run the cameras back first. I'm not going nowhere till they run the cameras back first. Run the cameras back first. Run the cameras back first. Because y'all know y'all was dead wrong on me. Run the cameras back.
But Cole got somebody else in there. He got the mail in there.
Yeah, that boy can't travel together.
Oh, you want to put him in the car? All right, come on.
No, run the cameras back.
Come on.
Bro, I have an attorney.
No, that's not an option. Running the
What
camera.
are y'all doing?
Jasmine, stop. Okay, just stop and just go. We will get you. Stop. Okay. I'm not even trying to deal with you. And what's up?
Over here. Now. Over here.
Oh, Jesus.
Stop. Jess, stop.
This is the reason why she's going to jail. Ooh. That's assault.
I'm finna sue y'all so bad, bro. I'm finna sue y'all so bad, bro. I'm finna sue y'all so bad. Put my shit in the car.
She had one, but now she's going to Fulton County for kicking an officer. What do you want?
Key to the car. I know you're going to tow it, but can I get the key to the car?
You cannot have the keys to the car.
Can I get my purse? Yeah.
You guys can get your property out of the car. That's not a problem.
You guys are going to keep waiting.
You're my phone.
Yeah, because
I gave you your phone.
it's got to go with the tow truck.
Okay.
That's all.
Can I get my purse?
You can get whatever.
I have no idea where my purse is.
It's in Danny's car.
It's going to be in that car right over there.
It's in Danny's car.
Help her get her purse, please.
See how fast?
Tony, no. Take your shit.
Tell me what car.
Y'all recording, bitch! Recording for no unnecessarily arresting me! You skinhead ass, racist ass motherfucker!
Oh,
You
good
racist
God.
as shit!
Jasmine.
You racist as shit! No, this motherfucker racist as shit! This racist ass motherfucker!
Stop.
Yeah, run it up, bitch!
Stop.
Run it up, bitch! Run it up, bitch!
Jasmine, stop.
Drive with the car. No?
Yeah, you You can get your stuff. Go get your stuff.
The operator of the vehicle was charged with reckless endangerment and transported to the Atlanta City Jail. The woman was transported to the hospital for evaluation due to her continued resistance during the arrest, where she remained combative. After being medically cleared, she was released back into police custody and transported to the Fulton County Jail, where she was formally booked on felony obstruction and 2 counts of simple battery against an officer. What do you think? Did the officer handle the situation appropriately, or do you think things could have been de-escalated differently? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. See you in the next video, and as always, stay safe out there.
So the question is, did officers handle this the right way? Or could things have been calmed down sooner? Let me know what you think. Until next time, stay sharp and stay safe out there.